Hello everybody, welcome to my unboxing video. I have this banging unboxing box because I can open it. And let's take a look. Oh no, the yellow piece.
Slowly.
Okay, everyone. Sorry, it fell off.
One by one, Jenna.
Okay. Now let's open the hammer. I want to put the tape on it.
So, pinag naman na. Kailan?
Okay, I have this hammer already. Oopsie. Now let's put some on it. Because it's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple.
Oops, sorry. Oh, you eat na show, Daddy. You're eating.
Okay, now let's start. Red, oopsie. Oops. Red. Ah. Uh-oh. Wait a moment. Oopsie.
Can you check? It's like this. And then, like that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, good.
Okay, everyone. Let's start. Purple. Wait, I mean red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Purple. Okay, now let's flip it. Okay. Purple. Blue. Green. Yellow. Orange. Red. Okay, now let's flip it again. Red.
But look here, Kayla. You're not.
Orange. Yellow.
Don't put it here in the center.
Green. Blue. Purple. Okay, now let's flip it again.
That's it. Next toy.
Purple. Blue. Green. Yellow. Orange. Red. Okay, see you soon. Bye-bye.